Today is Saturday. It is the weekend. I wonder how many of you are waking up with foggy heads. I wonder how many of you slept in way too long. I wonder how many of you were up at the sunrise and off you went. Did you find some woods to visit? Because that's where we're going. The same woods. The same path. Find our tree. Find our stream. Past the gazebo, the one that we didn't fuck in yesterday. And let's see where we are. Oh, it's our boat again. Gleaming white, no longer a humble thing to step into and sit down. It's now much larger. Can you see it? See the water. See the grass and trees around the area. See the dock. Walking on it to the boat, hear your footsteps. Step onto the boat and you see a door in front of you. Try it. Is it open or locked for you? Your answer will be unique just to you. If the door opens, you see a dim room beyond. Do you go in? What do you find? If it is locked, what will it take to unlock it?